Hi, my name is Jagadish. Today I am going to show you how to make a pen shooter. For this we need a stapler, a waste pen which is cap open, and 2 rubber bands and 1 refill. Small refill as ammo. First take stapler and take 2 pins. Then open the edges of the pins. Now you have opened the edges of the 2 pins. Now make a rubber band knot. First, how to make a rubber band knot? First take 2 rubber bands and take 1 rubber band and keep in the hole of other rubber band like this. And you have one part like this, catch this and pull, you will have a rubber band knot. And take 1 pin and keep it like this and tie it to the rubber band. And take another pin and keep it to the rubber band and tie. And if your gap is high here, just tie some like this and take this waste pen and keep it like this here and take and catch this pin and take it till to the end like this and will fit like this. Then take the refill and keep in this hole and have one hole here and take this pin and keep this edge, sharp edge in the hole. Then catch the refill like this. Catch and pull the refill back, and when you release this refill it will go 1 second for 2 kilometers. See. See. See.